I don't know if you register to my online course, but if you did, make sure that you send me a message in case you did not get your certificate when you completed the course, or in case you did not get the software lesson, because that software lesson is the lesson that a lot of you guys have been waiting for, and it's out right now. So if you register to my online course, then you completed but haven't yet getting your certificate, just make sure that you send me a message and I will give you your certificate, because not everyone needs a certificate. Yeah, from what I understand, a lot of people when they complete they just vanish. For some people when they complete they ask for a certificate. So I'm just saying this in case you have been expecting me to be the one to say, hello, do you need that stuff? So you are the one to tell me that you need that, because more to that, I lost my old chats on WhatsApp, so a lot of contacts, I'm not able to contact a lot of people that they register to my course, even though they completed, and for some people they just needed the software lesson, and because I lost my chats, I'm not able to get in contact with the people. So if you are one of them, just let me know on WhatsApp. So you can, in case you don't have my number anymore, you can just send me a message. Yeah, that's my WhatsApp number right there. And for those who want my mobile repairing course, for those who want my online course, I think this is the best time, because a lot of updates have been made, a lot of upgrades have been made to my online course, in which you can learn troubleshooting from the basics. Yeah, when I'm talking about the updates, days go by and I update a lot of things. I update new troubleshooting skills in all the lessons of my course, you understand. And if you are having problems to pay, like a lot of you guys always say, yeah, I'm really interested in that but I don't know how to pay, that's not a problem. You just send me a message on WhatsApp, tell me the country that you are from, I send you my online course information, which you are going to learn hardware and software, you understand. You're going to learn how to troubleshoot hardware, you are going to learn software as well, how to solve problems using software, how to solve particular problems using hardware, how to flash and how to unlock.